Salam! Today we're going to be making a desi stir-fry dish, chicken jalfrezi. Stir-frying came from China, so let's honor their techniques and bring it over to desi cooking. We'll use both velveting, which creates juicy tender chicken, and wok hei, where the scorching heat adds the smoky flavors. But with the karhai.
You're gonna need 2 pounds of chicken thighs cut into 1-inch pieces, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 3 tablespoons water, salt, and pepper. For the curry, you'll need 1 diced yellow onion, 3 diced roma tomatoes, 1 green bell pepper cut into 1-inch pieces, 1 inch ginger minced, 1 tablespoon crushed red pepper, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil or ghee. Oh, and 1 to 2 cups of water too, depending on how thick you want the curry. In a small bowl, mix together the cornstarch and water till you get a milky consistency. Add to the bowl of chicken along with salt and pepper and mix throughout. This process of velveting helps the chicken retain its moisture while also allowing it to absorb sauces better. Cover and marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Next, in the karhai, wok, or pot, add the vegetable oil or ghee and heat it up on medium-high. First we'll add the chicken and cook for 5 minutes, then take out. Add the green bell pepper and stir for 1 to 2 minutes, then take out. Now we'll make the curry part. Add the onion and salt and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure to mix all the fond from the chicken. Add the ginger and stir for a minute, then add the tomatoes, water, crushed red pepper, and cumin powder. Cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes until everything reduces and thickens. Add back the chicken and green bell pepper and quickly stir everything for a couple minutes. Our tomatoes act as the base of the sauce that will naturally get thickened in the karhai, so there's no need to add a cornstarch slurry to further thicken the sauce like with other stir-fry Chinese dishes. Turn to low, then add the garam masala and mix throughout.
Alright, bismillah! Oh man, the chicken is like Chinese takeout. Smooth and silky on the outside, but when paired with the curry, becomes even more juicy on the inside. Great combo of Chinese techniques with desi flavor.